see out there? Let's open the door and find out. Oh. Check out the snow. It's March 28th. Guess winter wasn't finished with us yet. Are you coming back in? All right. Winter's not done with us. Wilder and I. Do I say his name funny? Wilder. Wilder and I are going to let the geese out this morning. He's so pretty against the snow. I thought I'd bring them some food this morning. Oh, it's not that cold out here. Oh, they still had food back here. Don't you know it, the day I decided to bring food for them. See? Wow, okay, how much snow would you say that is? That's how much we got overnight. Okay, we are headed back.
So how much do you figure we got? Quarter inch?
No, there was more than that. Like that much on the...
1/4?
Yeah.
I'm assuming there's a lane over here somewhere.
I certainly hope so.
Thanks. Yeehaw.
Yeah. Okay, it's 2 hours later, and the salt and sand trucks have been through here and the plows, and so the roads are much better. Sort of. It's a heavy, wet snow. Which makes for a slippery, sludgy road. This lane is much better. Whoa, that's a lot of snow. Probably about 6 inches. or more. Thought I'd head out into the woods, take a few pictures, or just show you guys the snow because it's so pretty. It's 8 o'clock at night. Can you believe it? It's still light. Yes. Okay. And the weather it warmed up. A lot of snow has already melted. Look at my driveway. Dutch did plow earlier, and they plowed the road. So we're gonna go out for a little drive because why not? We can. And it's nice to get out of the house. I just have to clear the snow off of the truck. But check out the sky. It's so pretty. Why, yes, I do use a broom to clear off my truck. Doesn't everyone? Dutch measured the snow in the driveway before he plowed, and he said there were 6 inches there. And that looks about right. The nice thing about a spring snowstorm is that the snow doesn't last for long. This will probably be gone by the end of the week. Okay, so you want to make sure you've got your tail lights and headlights cleared from snow so people can see what you're doing. Okay, I got to do a better job at that. Okay, the road looks completely different tonight than it did this morning. So the air in my tire was looking pretty low. I think I'll get some air first. And there's free air here at the gas station. For some reason, I always have trouble putting air in tires. And I don't have a gauge, so we just eyeballed it, but I think it looks better. Dutch told me there were beautiful waves here at this. I don't know. Huh?
I said, did they not have the sled dog races this year?
Right. I don't think they did because of COVID, yeah. Or maybe the weather. So Dutch said there were big waves down here, so we've come to check it out. There's Erica. Trying not to fall. She's just having fun. Back to the water. What's that?
I said you made me laugh too hard. I hurt my mouth.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, weren't they beautiful waves there? So powerful. We're headed back to the truck. We gotta be careful though. Ooh. There we go. We're back in the snow. It's okay. We won't trip and fall. Woo, I hope not anyway. Ooh. There's my truck. Yes.
Hi, Mom. We're leaving. Have the keys.
That might help. Okay. Dutch said, did you check the sap? Change the bag. I said, I don't think sap will be flowing right now. He said, sorry, I heard something. He said it was pretty full. Oh, wow. Okay. The sap is flowing again. I guess I should change the bag. It probably won't flow overnight, though, huh? Look at that. We're going to have more sap. I mean, more maple syrup. Yeah.